CNBC TV18 that the Finance Ministry is in talks with SEBI to take steps to reduce options market speculation. Yash is here with all of the details that he's picking up on this story. Yash, go ahead.
Well, CNBC TV18 had reported it earlier that market regulator SEBI was looking at different ways to do two things. One was to reduce options trading volumes and the speculation there. And the second one was to increase cash market volumes. Now, what we've been given to understand as fresh piece of information is that Finance Ministry has also been in discussion with market regulator SEBI to consider options to reduce options market speculations and the volumes there, and of course increase the cash market volumes. The letter has been sent from the end of Finance Ministry to market regulator SEBI to consider steps in order to do this exact same thing. That is, as I said, to look at reducing options market volumes as well as the speculation there. Now, according to our sources, SEBI has also been considering various steps to be able to achieve this objective. The first one is that market regulator SEBI could consider doing away or removing the weekly options expiry and replacing that with either bi-monthly, which is fortnightly, or a monthly expiry. That could be a big move which SEBI could consider. The second option which SEBI is considering is reducing cash market margin requirement. Currently, of course, the margin requirement towards cash market transactions is higher as compared to options trading, and that is one step which SEBI could consider, which is to incentivize cash market transactions by reducing the margin requirements there. The third option which market regulator SEBI could consider is to reduce, and rather to suggest government to reduce STT or securities transaction tax when it comes to cash market transactions as compared to options market transactions. These are some of the important steps which market regulator SEBI could consider and propose and suggest to the government to take steps towards that. But of course, the government at this point of time thinks that weekly expiry is largely being used for speculation and not for effective hedging, and that's something which it wants to change, and hence discussing steps with market regulator SEBI to be able to do that.
Okay, Yash, thank you so much for that. But on that note, we're going to slip into a very short break. We'll get you more stock-specific action after the break, so stay tuned in.